To recruit Nicolás Maduro's pilot to join a plot to bring the Venezuelan strongman to justice began in the Dominican Republic last year. A federal agent caught wind that Maduro's planes were being serviced in the Caribbean, and he sought permission from the Dominican authorities to approach the pilots for Maduro who were there to oversee the work. He made a pitch. He said to the pilot, "Look, you will be a very rich man, your family will be taken care of, and you'll have the adoration of millions of Venezuelans." Not succeed. The pilot either had no intention of ever cooperating or got cold feet, but it is incredibly relevant because now the U.S. has made no secret of its efforts to